Hello everyone, welcome to the Python overview lecture. So let's quickly do a brief overview of what Python is, why choose Python for programming, and what you can do with Python. And this lecture is particularly geared towards people new to programming. A brief history of Python. Python was created in the 1980s by a Dutch programmer called Guido van Ransom. And 1991, the first official version 0.9 was released. In the year 2000, Python 2.0 was introduced. Python 3 was released after that in the year 2008, addressing design flaws in early version Python 2.0. 2020, Python 2 literally reached the end of life officially, pushing the community towards Python 3. So most companies now tend to switch from Python to Python 3 from the year 2020, and since then, most companies are now basically geared towards Python 3. And it is now one of the most popular programming languages in the world. And why was it basically very popular? It was specifically designed as an easy language to use, and it's highly focused on readability of code. So basically, if you are an absolute beginner, writing Python programming language is going to be as simple as ABC when you start. Now, why choose Python? Number one is designed for clear, logical code that is easy to read and learn. So if you are totally new to Python, reading and understanding the basics of Python programming is going to be very easy for you. And lot of existing libraries and framework are also written in Python, which allows users to apply Python to a wide variety of tasks. Also, Python focus on optimizing developers' time rather than a computer's processing time. And if you want to see the documentation of Python 3, you can go ahead to visit this link. I'm also going to attach it to the description box below. What can you do in Python? Basically, this course, we are first going to focus on the base Python, which consists of the core component of the language and written small programs. Later on, we are also going to begin to learn about outside libraries and framework that greatly expand Python's capability. What can you use Python to do? First, you can automate simple tasks. For example, searching for files and editing them. You can scrape data from the internet. You can scrape information from the internet. Also, you can use to read and edit Excel files. You can also use Python to work with PDFs. You can automate email. You can use it to fill out form and many more. Next, you can also use Python for data science and machine learning. In fact, Python is one of the popular language that is used for data science, data analysis, and machine learning. And what can they do for you? They can analyze large data files. You can also use it to create visualization. So libraries like Matplotlib, Seaborn, Plotly, they're a very great library to create visualization. And these libraries were built on Python programming language. Also, you can use it to perform machine learning tasks. When it comes to building supervised, unsupervised, or reinforcement learning tasks, you can basically use Python programming to perform these machine learning tasks. And also, you can use it to create and run predictive algorithms. Also, Python is also very useful when it comes to creating websites. And they use web frameworks such as Django, Fast API, and Flask to handle the back end of a website and user data. Also, you can use Python to create interactive dashboard for users. So once you understand base Python and you begin working with a few libraries, you will quickly begin to see the vast potential Python has for your own project. In our next lecture, we are going to look at how we can set up and install Python for our projects. See you there.